Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Frediansyah from class 2B, and I will review a journal entitled Instruction for Teaching English for Young Learners. Sorry. The first is abstract. The research is originally developed to provide attractive model of teaching English for young learners, referring to the elementary student need to represented material for English instruction which cover and the demand of need analysis. This is study conducted. Consider the topic-based instruction as the basis. Material is chosen since the material are suitable with the need of the elementary student at primary or beginner level of learning. The material are needed since the student should be well introduced with English as foreign language they require to master. In the world, the elementary student's interest in English will be determined by their first impression in English at school instruction. Okay. The research used descriptive qualitative design, which use questionnaire and interview as research instrument. The next introduction. English learners at the primary level are cognitively prioritized to acquire language skill in ways that lend themselves to an integrated skill and content-based experiential approach. The teacher will understand the cognitive and social process of second language acquisition for teaching English for young learners is better equipped to help learners navigate the process of of class classroom learning activities while also creating a fun, positive and positive environment. In many cases, teaching English for young learners, teacher in English as a foreign language setting have a limited amount of time to accomplish their teaching goals and meet local requirements regarding the use of specific text. The use of specific text or other material. A low resource environment can also pose challenge. As we know, English is officially become a local content in elementary school since 90 and sorry 1994. In the implementation, there are so many problems that face not only educator but also material developer. Teaching for Teaching English for young learners requires special attention as well as the creativity is in design the material development. In addition, young learners have plentiful energy to do some activities. They are enthusiastic in something but uniquely ignoring something else. It is quicker to raise a child motivation and enthusiasm than an adult, but it also is easier to lose a child motivation and enthusiasm there is with an adult. To active to activate to activate and raise young learners motivation, there are so many ways treatment in doing this based on the need. One of one of them by developing appropriate learning material which reflected on their nature and characteristics. Sorry. And the last step in developing a language focused term-based unit. Skin and Crandall suggests 5 steps for a thematic unit designed over 4 to 5 lessons. And the first, choose topics that are relevant to the national curriculum standard of your context. 2. Select themes that appeal to the children in order encourage meaningful and authentic interaction. And 3. Evaluate subject content that is related to the children experience and based on the subject they enjoy studying. For example, social science or on specific social situation. The 4. Arrange the order of the activities to mirror real-life language that is useful to the children. The skill practiced shall be sequenced from receptive maybe to productive and progress from simple repetition to scaffold learning. And the last or 5, integrate a project into the unit to foster student-centered learning, cooperation, and communicative use the target of language. The next step, research method. Number 1, or the first, the study use descriptive qualitative designs. Conviction, this research is made to achieve the following object. First, to raise the student at the beginner level interest and to reduce their fear of learning English. Second, to enhance the children's basis in English, including the 4 language skills, grammar, and vocabulary. The last is to provide a comfort and friendly experience for the children to learn and practice their English. Point number 3, this research conducted in July to September 2017 in MI Babul Ulum Dorogede Gedangan. The participants of the study are students of elementary school MI Babul Ulum. It is consists of 25 students with 8 and 10 years old that include insert 4th and 6th grade that chosen randomly. The school is categorized as average school with average standard of achievement. Okay, result and discussion. In the session 1 of this research, the pre-course questionnaire distributed to the 25 students to explore their initial interest in English. The result of pre-questionnaire is okay. Sorry, the table use Indonesian. We can see that those students like on learning English, but they feel it's so difficult. Their teacher is humble, kind, but they feel method that used in the class is not attractive, although they feel learning English is very interesting. It means actually English is interesting for young students or learners if the method the teacher use can attract them by fun and attractive learning. Oke, belajar bahasa Inggris itu mudah. 10 orang senang, 2 orang sangat senang, dan 13 orang sangat tidak senang. Maybe you can see the table, okay? Then in the session 2, the children are required to place them chosen for English course in rank order. Okay. Session 2, from figure 2, the rank order of topic that chosen by student. Rank 1 is food, rank 2 is family, rank 3 is animal, and for the last rank is profession. Based on this data, the researcher made lesson plan using the topic chosen as the last activities of the research that is a prototype arranged for teaching English for young learners. Okay, the next, it means that student or learner perception are more interested and spirit learning English by using topic that they have chosen. The questionnaire are collected immediately by either an researcher or course tutor when the children finish completing them. Okay, I want to answer a question from Miss Inta. The question is, in your opinion, why does topic-based instruction work well for young learners? Do you think it will work? Sorry. Uh, in your opinion, why does topic-based instruction work well for young learners? Do you think it will work just the same if we apply that to a university level? Okay, the question is in the base. I want to answer. According to the title in the journal, it is written that it explains how to teach English for young learners, how to deal with young learners, what method to give, and how attract the attention of young learners. This cannot be applied at the university levels, and I took this title because there is particular interest in discussing English for young learners. And the last conclusion. Finally, the result of this research in there are some topics chosen by students that continually the researcher arranged the prototype of material as handbook of teaching. Student response are very good in topic-based instruction. According to them, they felt enthusiastic and more interest to learn with the topic that they have chosen a new topic. Based instruction that consists 9 activities not only focus on 4 skills, such as interaction activity, experiential activity, grammar focus activity, writing activity, total physical response activity, listening, problem solving activity, and games. All of all all of activity arranged, analyzed, and presented in lesson plan a prototype to teaching English for young learners by the topic that they have chosen. Personally, the student can make connection between what they know and what are they learning, And finally, topic-based interaction present a variety